I have amazing news to share with you. My cookbook is finally ready for sale. You can click the link in the description to purchase this great cookbook. I've been working on it for the past 3 years, and I can proudly say that this book is going to be your ultimate guide to cooking authentic and delicious Chinese food. I carefully selected 168 recipes featuring popular takeout dishes, easy family meals passed down through generations, various regional specialties, and classic traditional delicacy. Every recipe comes with a demo video, step-by-step photos, clear techniques, and secret tips. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned chef, you will be able to cook better than takeout and savor the local meals like a native Chinese. All right, let's start today's cooking. We're going to whip up a 3-dish Chinese dinner meal in just 40 minutes, which includes a lemon chicken breast salad, a hearty vegetable soup, and steamed garlic shrimp with vermicelli noodles. The goal of this video is to share valuable tips to help you manage the cooking process efficiently, ensuring a delightful and stress-free workflow. I will also talk about the cultural significance and rules behind pairing dishes and ingredients. Once you learn, you will be able to put together a delicious and well-balanced Chinese meal in no time. So please hit the like button, and we're gonna get started by bringing 1.5 liters of water to a boil, which would take 5 to 6 minutes over high heat. At the same time, we're gonna cook our protein. I have here 2 pieces of boneless chicken breast, about 1.1 pound. You can also use boneless chicken thigh if you want. Add 2 scallions, 5 slices of ginger, 2 shallots, and a drizzle of Chinese cooking wine. Turn the heat to high. It will take about 6 to 7 minutes for it to come to a simmer. You will need 3 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of finely minced garlic, and stir over low heat. Yes, I am using frozen minced garlic, which is one of my time-saving tips. Cooking is very easy. The laborious part is actually all kinds of tedious cutting and prepping, like peeling tons of garlic and mincing them. So I always process a large amount with a blender, freeze them, and use as needed. Okay, once all the garlic is defrosted, add a 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper and optionally 1.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes. If you don't eat spicy food, you can skip the chili flakes. Stir until the butter turns into a bright red color. Remove the saucepan from the stove. Season the sauce with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and stir well. This liquid seasoning will drop the temperature of the saucepan, so you can add 300 grams of peeled and deveined shrimp. Mix with the garlic sauce thoroughly. Here is an important note. Most shrimp on the market is frozen with a salt solution. So if you're using previously frozen shrimp, you must check the package. If you see salt on the ingredient list, you will have to adjust the seasonings in this recipe or rinse the shrimp thoroughly before cooking. Otherwise, the dish will come out too salty. Set the shrimp on the side. By now, the water should be boiling. Add the rice vermicelli noodles and let them cook for 2 minutes. Take the noodles out and place into a heat-proof plate. Now, we're gonna make a presentation. Take the shrimp from the sauce and place onto the noodles. Line them into a nice circle. If you are allergic to shrimp, you can use scallops or fish meat slices. Pour the leftover sauce all over the plate. Then place the plate into a steamer. If you time everything correctly, the chicken pot should have come to a boil by now. Remove the lid and place the steamer on the top. Switch the heat from high to medium-low and let it steam for 6 minutes. The noodles are boiled already. The steaming is to cook the shrimp and infuse the noodles with that delicious garlic sauce. While waiting, we're going to make the lemon sauce for the chicken, which is really easy. You will need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of diced cilantro, half tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of diced Thai bird-eye chilies. No need to mix at this point because the garlic and the Thai bird-eye chilies are frozen. Just set it aside for now. Alright, the shrimp should be done steaming. Turn off the heat. Remove the steamer from the pot. The shrimp vermicelli noodle recipe is basically done. Just sprinkle some diced cilantro for garnish. Let's set it aside for now. As for the chicken, just put on the lid and let the chicken breast sit in the hot water for 8 minutes. Chinese people think highly of nutrient balance when cooking. Besides carbs and proteins, vegetable is an important part in our dietary structure. So we're going to prepare that while the chicken is soaking. You will need 3 ounces of shiitake mushroom. Slice the umbrella cap horizontally into thin pieces. Stack the pieces together and thinly julienne them. Set the mushrooms aside. 3 ounces of carrot. Cut into thin slabs. Stack the slabs and thinly julienne them. Set the carrot aside. This is stem lettuce, a popular Chinese vegetable called wosun, which consists 2 parts, the leafy top and the bottom stem. We just need the bottom for today. You can save the leafy top for other uses. When you peel the skin, please start from the thick end. Use a small knife to pare it a little bit at a time. Keep doing that until all the skin is gone. Then julienne it as you would do to a carrot. Slice it into thin slabs, then stack the slabs and cut them into thin strips. 3 ounces of ham, which will impart a beautiful flavor into the soup. In China, we normally use lunch meat for this recipe, but I found that ham works just as good. This is what I'm using. You can choose your favorite brand. There is no restriction. Thinly julienne it as well. Set the ham aside. The chicken should be done sitting in the hot water. Remove it from the water and set it aside to cool. We're going to use the chicken cooking broth to make a delicious hearty soup. It's like 1 stone, 3 birds. How amazing! Remove the soggy aromatics and sieve out the impurities. Bring the broth to a boil again. Add all the julienned mushroom, carrot, ham, and lettuce stem, and cook for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of minced shallot. Again, I'm using pre-prepped and frozen aromatics to save time. However, the cilantro is fresh because I find that cilantro leaves change color once frozen, and I don't like that. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground black pepper. The ham and the store-bought stock contain different amounts of sodium. Please taste the broth to adjust the saltiness. Quickly mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water until no lumps. Pour it into the soup. Stir to thicken, and the soup is done. In Western cuisines, flat plate is the most popular tableware. Chinese people prefer dome-shaped bowls because soups take an important role on our dinner table. In my family, we like to eat a little bit soup before and after dinner. It's not just a tradition. We believe it smooths your stomach and helps with the digestion. The chicken breast should be cooled. Shred it thinly. Mix the shredded chicken with the sauce thoroughly. Garnish it with some lemon slices. Congratulations! You have just prepared a complete hearty Chinese dinner meal in about 30 to 40 minutes. These dishes have a balance of nutrients between proteins, vegetables, and carbs. They are delicious, healthy, and budget-friendly, perfect for a family of 4. This meal may not be fancy, but sometimes the simplest home-cooked dishes are the most comforting. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!